Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to export historical data from Yahoo Finance. First, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Finance website. Then, use the search bar to find the specific stock or asset you are interested in. Once on the Assets page, click on the Historical Data tab to begin the process of retrieving your desired information. After selecting your time period, you can choose the data frequency. Options typically include daily, weekly, or monthly intervals. Make sure to click the Apply button to refresh the data shown on the screen. Finally, locate the download link, usually on the right side, and click it to save your data as a convenient CSV file. Your downloaded CSV file will contain several important columns. You'll see the date, along with open, high, low, and close prices. The open price is where the asset began trading for that period, while the close price is its final value. Volume shows the total number of shares traded. Once you have your data, you can open the CSV file in any spreadsheet program, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This data is incredibly useful for analyzing trends or backtesting various trading strategies. Always remember that past performance is not an indicator or guarantee of future financial outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.